This baby is only seconds old, and death is already watching.
In Africa, being left behind means only one thing.
Someone has already noticed the weakness. They are not rushing, they are calculating.
A mother feels danger before it arrives.
For a moment, there is no escape.
Fear disappears when love takes control. What happens next? No predator expects.
For a single second, the herd must choose.
Courage always starts with one. Even hunters understand numbers.
The hunted strikes back. Chaos changes sides.
Life refuses to surrender.
A shield is formed without words. This is not panic, this is strategy. But weakness no longer exists. Desperation makes one last gamble. And the answer is immediate. The message is clear. The message is clear.
Silence returns, but no one relaxes.
Every step forward is a victory.
Protection tightens.
Life continues because it must.
Not every hunt is meant to succeed. Today, unity has won.
Moments ago, this life was almost erased. A mother never stops guarding. Every eye becomes a lookout. Movement resumes, but trust does not return. Danger may be gone, but Africa never forgets.
Strength is learned, one step at a time.
Survival bends for the weakest.
Time moves forward, whether wounds are healed or not. Instinct awakens early, here.
Higher ground means breathing room. Even rest is guarded. Life finds balance again. The shadows have withdrawn, for now.
But the wild never promises peace.
Every journey here is unfinished.
Survival leaves its mark quickly.
Another day is claimed.
Protection never sleeps.
Because in Africa, unity is life.
What almost ended has only just begun.
Strength grows under watchful eyes.
Survival reshapes behavior instantly.
Even the sky seems to pause. The wild exhales briefly.
Awareness is the first lesson.
Guardians never stop watching.
Exposure tests courage.
Position decides fate.
The journey continues, unforgiving.
Experience replaces panic.
Fear becomes memory. Africa moves on relentlessly. Time leaves no footprints. Only survivor write tomorrow.
Today, life was defended. And in Africa, unity is the strongest force of all.
Survival never ends. It only pauses.
Protection follows, even in calm moments.
Experience stands guard. Life rewards the brave, quietly.
Together, even thirst is faced.
Fear fades, but lessons remain.
Another chapter closes.
In Africa, unity is not a choice. It is life.
On this channel, we share real and informative animal stories so you can learn, feel, and understand the wild.
Like our channel, subscribe for more informative animal stories. Take good care of yourself, and see you in the next video.